Hey y'all, it's Shyne International here, and I am back with another video, period. Today I will be giving you guys an empty house tour of my luxury condo, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. This is a very humbling experience for me in a good way, because it's just seeing how far I came from where I first started, especially when I moved to Atlanta. I've been in Atlanta for 3 years, but I'm not gonna, ramble. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this tour. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Well, okay, so behind me is the front door, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. This is the front. This is the walkway. This is like when you first walk in. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this area right here. Probably put something right there so I can put my keys, or have like a little key holder or something. So then you go into the first bedroom. Ow, it's real spacious, especially for a high rise. Like, what's up? Welcome to my crib. Okay, so I think this is like the master suite, but it's actually smaller than the other bathroom, so I don't know really, but it's like right here, a lot of storage. I love the drawers. I love the drawers. I always love drawers under my bathroom counter or whatever. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Not much to see here. So in this unit, it's very spacious, especially for it to be a high rise, and that's what I like, because I went from a big house, 3-floor house, to a townhome, to now an apartment, and I definitely wanted to like have space. I didn't want to be in like a damn closet. So with that being said, the price that I had to pay for like having a lot of space is the fact that I don't have floor to ceiling windows in any of the rooms, but it's a pretty nice, like, it's a pretty nice window or whatever. The view is okay. It's very green, as you can see. Hold on. Yeah, it's a lot of greenery, and I was a little worried about that because I like a dark room. So I was like, how am I gonna have a dark? I love a dark room, so my room is probably gonna be dark, and these shades are probably gonna be down majority of the time. So let's continue with the tour. So this is my closet. I love the organization. I love the built-in drawers. I love that. I love it so much. The other unit that I viewed, which that whole unit was smaller, but the closet was actually bigger. But like I said, that's what I had to sacrifice. I had to sacrifice like a few things, but I'm not tripping because I have a 2-bedroom and it's just me living here. So with that being said, I have a lot of closet space to work with. Okay, so now we're going back out. Look at my shoes. We're going back out. Okay, so now we're going into the hallway. So in the hallway, I have my washer and dryer and my laundry area. This is probably where I will put my like my toilet paper, my paper towels, like house supplies in here, and laundry detergent, of course. Yeah, not much to see in here. I love it. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my damn camera. Like, quick hands. Anyways, I love that it's right by the room, so I don't have to go far. Lazy. This is another bathroom. Now, as you can remember that I said not too long ago, this bathroom is way more spacious and bigger than the bathroom in the master suite, but this is the guest bathroom, so I ain't tripping. I like both bathrooms. I ain't tripping. Yep, real nice. A lot Maybe this is the master suite right here. I think this is the master suite. I don't damn know. Cause look at all these. I don't know. We got storage right here. I'll probably put linen towels. I don't know what I'm gonna put all on here, but linen towels and decor right there. I don't want to share this bathroom with anybody. Like, I wouldn't want to share my bathroom with anybody, so I'm probably gonna choose the other bathroom. I'm not too picky. Like I said, I live here alone, so it's like the whole place is to myself. This is where guests would come to use the bathroom. I love that it's 2 full baths, so that's lit. Love it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the second room, which is also spacious. Like, the first unit that I seen was very much so a closet, but this is like so much space compared to the other place that I seen. This is the closet. I actually have 2 closets in this room. So I don't know what I want to like make of this room, but I do know that it's not gonna be a traditional guest room. So, cause I don't really have guests like that. Like, you know, my mom or my friends come to town, then yeah, cool. I'm gonna have like a futon in here, of course, but I'm not gonna have a bed or nothing like that. I don't know what I'm gonna make this room yet, but I'm excited because I think it's either like a closet, like a really girly closet room, or like a office. There we go, like a home office or whatever. So yes, let's move on with the tour. Come on. As you can see, I have a view in this room. It's a better view. It's not floor to ceiling windows, but it is a better view. I have a pool view. So, yep, it's lit. So leaving out of this room, I have this cute little nook area. Like, this is, as you can see, that's the walkway right there. So this is like the beginning of the common area where guests will come, and I feel like I would have some picture frames up here, like some cute, real cute minimalistic decor. Okay, so we're gonna move on over to the kitchen. Ooh, I love the kitchen so much. It's very open. I love the island, stainless steel appliances. When I tell you I have so much storage, I am overliving. I love it so much, and it just goes high too. I love it. I'm probably not even gonna use all these. Yeah, so this is like my kitchen area slash, you know, I love it so much. Like I said, it's so spacious in here. Hold on, turn this on. I don't know which light is which. Okay, so yeah, so I just have big dreams for this kitchen. Like, it's gonna be so lit, but I'm gonna film a furnished tour so y'all can see how I put everything together. So dun, 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 dun. So this is the living area. My TV, I don't know which way I want the couch to go, but I'm feeling like the TV should be on this wall. So this is my favorite part of the home. It's so beautiful, and I can't wait to see how it looks at night. I just love it so much. I'm so grateful. Nice touch. I am literally in the heart of the city of Atlanta. So yeah, and then I have a balcony, which was a big thing because I didn't think I was gonna get a balcony. And it's quite a nice balcony too, and it overlooks the pool. And I didn't think the first unit that I seen, hold on, let me go back inside, it's kind of loud. But yeah, the first unit that I seen was no balcony. It was so small. I'm gonna actually put a clip in right here so y'all can see how small it was compared to my place. Like, I am so grateful. Like, try to lock this door. So yeah, y'all, back to what I was saying. The first place that I initially seen was so small. Like, it kind of made me reconsider because I've been so used to having so much space. Like, I didn't want to pay a whole bunch of money and live in a closet. I wasn't gonna do that. So I'm just so grateful, like, that I have a nice, spacious, homey. It gives me like a homey vibe. Thank you guys for watching my video on my luxury condo. I love it in here, y'all. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm not a big YouTuber, so no, YouTube did not, like, I didn't get this place just for YouTube, and YouTube didn't really help with getting this place, you know. That's why I just want to uplift my girls and let y'all know that anything is possible, honey. Like, YouTube did not get this for me. I'm still doing YouTube as a hobby. So this is like hard work and dedication, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Do you like this place? Like, let me know in the comments below. Like, let me know. Just talk to me in the comments, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment,